One thing I know about Jeff, he's all about people. It's not the business, it's not the money, because if you develop people, all that comes right after that.
The greatest thing that happens, I think, as a brand partner, great product, you've got great science behind you, you've got a great company behind you, but really if you look at this industry, it's personal development, okay? It's the person you're becoming on the inside. We're as committed to working on that as we are on the product.
It's not marketing products, it's not doing sales campaigns, it's really focusing on the people. And he's assembled a team of people with his family, with a corporate group, and with brand partners that literally are taking this industry to a whole new level.
So you're going to see that we're going to be a company that's not just about that, we're going to be about the whole person.
He has been probably one of the preeminent leaders in our industry for 20 plus years of teaching others really how to build this business through developing people.
I'm so excited not only to be able to bring an opportunity in the product, but bring the personal development. So, you know, the products can work on the outside, the skin, but let's work on the inside too. Let's bring the whole person, okay?
What I love about this is helping people become leaders, helping them grow, helping them thrive.
We really believe in investing in our brand partners. They are one of our biggest assets, and so we give as much as we can to them to help them develop.
But we're going to also bring you not only the opportunity, but the information you need to be a great person.
You can't get that in corporate America or just anywhere. It's creating an environment where they can come together and develop their skills, and we know that we're helping develop them into a better version of themselves.
There is nothing more exciting than watching someone unfold, watching someone just blossom.
But you know, you can be willing to do something, but you've got to have the right vehicle. We have the right vehicle here. It's based on solid science, solid results, and people who know how to give you the opportunity.
Having someone committed to pouring into you and developing you is such a unique environment in today's times, and something that we really are passionate about giving to our brand partners.
My question, a challenge to you is, do you really want that, okay? Because it's here. If you want it, if you apply yourself the way we're applying ourselves, you can have everything you wanted. And the great thing about that, we can do that together. We can see the world together, we can enjoy lives together, and we can make a difference not only in our lives, but other people's lives together.